Sa linggo pa yung Mother's Day, pero may regalo na sa akin si Sab. Tingnan natin. Siya makapaghintay eh. Ganyan siya.
This one. Ay, wait lang. Okay. Na-fold kasi it was stuck.
Happy Mother's Day! Tingnan natin. Family traditions. Saan mo na itong mga smiley? Ang ganda. Thank you for giving me a good life and taking me to America.
Travel. Stickers.
Ganun pa ah. Happy Mother's Day. Thank you for taking care of me when I was a baby. And thank you for giving me a good life. Through it all together. Follow your dreams. Ano tayo? Thank you for being my mother. Thank you for giving me your empanada when it was still I was still a baby.
Yung panara. Meron pa.
Sa kabila. Sa lips. Sa lips.
Empanada.
Nag-lipstick manon.
Meron pa. The last one is very,
Daya mo namang cards, girl.
yung paper for, para when you go to school.
Ay, ito yung regalo mo sa akin.
What do you think this is?
Dali. Ay, regalo mo to sa akin para pag nag-school ako may
Mommy,
index
what do you
card.
think this is?
Ito yung regalo sa akin ni Sab, index card.
Mommy, what do you think this is?
Sandali, excited naman. Di mo karuhuray. Akin na. Ala! Di mo karuhuray. Ala! Di mo kataltal.
Iyak na yan.
Ano to?
Frank! You got prank for Mother's Day. It's supposed to be April Fool's. April Fool's prank.
Sandali.
I believe that there is an alpanapalat. They close. Akala iPad. Oh.
Huwag mo ipapakita yung school mo. Ni, ang bigas to eh.
It's Mother's Day. Cross.
Ano to, bre?
Mother's Day cross. I work
Sa,
on it.
ay, pinag-irapan
I made
mo
it
to?
myself.
Ay, sige. Isasabit mo
Nakala pa iPad. Ito naman.
Isasabit
You
sa
think too much.
Ito yung regalo sa akin ni Sam.
Akala pa iPad.
Dito ko na lang isasabit.
Ang galing
Dito ko
ko.
na isasabit.
Ang galing ko talaga That's supposed to be for April Fool's, but it's
Saan to, ano? Ginawa mo ba to sa simbahan, bre? Ginawa mo to sa simbahan? O, ginawa mo to?
Kinuha ko sa simbahan.
Hala! Ginawa mo to, ang bagtin. Ginawa mo ba to sa simbahan? Ano ginawa mo? Ginawa mo to?
What do you think?
Ginawa mo sa simbahan?
Joke lang! I made it at art class.
Isasabit
You all
natin
made.
doon. Isasabit natin doon.
Akala pa iPad.
Isasabit ko doon, oh.
Finally.